So welcome to Stoke Driving School video. This is a quick video of how learning takes place in a driving lesson, and hopefully it'll help you in yours. So today a pupil came to these traffic lights here and, as you can see, tried to stop. And this is really common. Like, in fact, I was talking to someone today that failed the test for this because the red is the main one you see. So what we did, we went round again, and obviously I'm not gonna let us be bothered. We're going round again. I'm gonna cut the video here so we come back and you can see the next time. So the next time we came round it was green, and green is fine. Green's easy, isn't it? It's the one where everybody can go. And so we went round again. Here we go, and this time it was red. And then the green arrow came on and the pupil understood and went. So a good lesson today, and of the objective was learned.